So today's question that I have for you is this: would you rather have more choices or no choice? Now think about it. Which one do you think is better? Now, if you're coming from a place where you think you have no choice, I had to lose my temper, I had to get completely upset with that employee or blast that customer because I had no choice. That customer was driving me up the wall. When we come from a place where we are reacting with one single emotion for something that has happened, it's quite instinctive. It's like poking an animal. The animal gets upset, bites a person. So it's very instinctive. But as human beings, if we have a brain, we actually have choices. The maturity comes from a place where we can create options. We are flexible, and so when somebody says I had no choice, therefore I had to do that, I had to react in that way, actually that person did not exercise the innovation and the flexibility to choose. So when you come from a place of no choice, it comes from a place where you are reacting. And on the other hand, you have people with I don't have no choices, I have lots of choices. In fact, I have so many to choose from. Now, is it necessarily a good thing as well? If you have a lot of choices, guess what? Could your choices be distractions? And you see, the thing is, and I use this example a lot. When you go out into the sun, you step out of your door and you go out into the sun, do you get burnt? No, because the sun is for the entire planet. But the minute you put a magnifying glass into one focused spot, what happens to the spot? Catches fire because of focus, clear, intense focus. So when you've got many choices, suddenly you've got to choose. Like, if in a night you would have dinner, this time you could have dinner, you could go to Italian, you could have Japanese, you could go you could have dim sum, you could have Vietnamese, you could have all kinds of options. And are those options necessary? Then you've got to look at what you want to prioritize. Now, I make that easy in terms of what you want to have for dinner on a Saturday night, but what if it is in terms of business? What if you have more than so many ventures to be able to put your focus on? Does many choices actually empower you or get in the way? Now, I'm putting this question out there. Many choices, better or no choices? So I'd like to hear what you guys think. Leave me a comment at the bottom. There's no right and wrong, but just see what you think.